Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. It's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. There's something new happening every single day at this rate. It's absolutely crazy. Now today, we have some updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Something that may suggest that it's actually not meant for retail, which is very interesting and makes me want it even more. We have XRP being relisted back on an exchange after it was delisted once the lawsuit came from the SEC, which is very interesting. I'm going to go through that. Updates in relation to Solana, updates in relation to Silvergate as well, BlackRock, some pretty crazy price predictions for Bitcoin. Let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab, all right, guys? And this is what I came across earlier today. Now, this is actually from a Ripple, interesting stuff from June 2020, right? So it is old, however, it's interesting. It's actually from a Ripple report. And basically it's saying this, right? Retail payment customers will never own, hold, or transact in XRP, which is interesting, as part of the on-demand liquidity product experience. Wow. What does that basically tell you? It's not meant for retail. And that it makes me want it even more, and I'll tell you the reason why is because it's being used for on-demand liquidity with banks and institutions. It's meant for them. It's actually not meant for retail investors, which is really cool as well. So it's for banks to communicate with each other, and Swift, on-demand liquidity, cross-border payments. That makes me even more bullish on it. Now, moving on, guys, we have Bitmart actually, which obviously will relist XRP on the digital assets platform on January 5th, which is basically today. The following trading pair will be available: XRP, USDT. Bitmart actually delisted this once the lawsuit came on, so very interesting to see that an exchange is relisting this after the fact, which is really good. Now, altcoins up my portfolio: Ravane, CKB, Ubix Network, RSR, and Constellation DAG. Very, very interesting. This one's been going off a little bit, guys. Again, can Ripple hit $8,000? I believe so in the future, maybe 5 to 10 years. Ethereum 43K, I think so. And Bitcoin definitely will hit $1 million. It will take a while though, but 2025, very interesting. Now, let's go to CoinSpot. This is where I personally buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, do your own research and due diligence. Now, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. This video is not old. It is the 6th of January. Years already flying. Bitcoin sitting at 25K, AUD. Now, obviously, I've got everything else set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world. And yes, I'm not taking my Christmas tree down back here, guys. Not yet. It's still only early days. I like my Christmas tree. Now, and I'm on Christmas holidays, so hence the reason why I'm in my kitchen at the moment. But Bitcoin's sitting at 25,000 Australian today. Ethereum's at 1,900 up nearly 1.2%, which is nice. XRP's at 51 cents. You got Doge at 10 cents as well. ADA's at 41 cents. Matic $1.20. You've got Polkadot at $7. Solana's at $20 today, up nearly 3.2%, which is nice. You've got Chainlink at $8, which is incredibly cheap. XLM is 11 cents. You got Quant at 170, still remaining very strong. You got Algorand at 28 cents. Near Protocols at $2. You got Hedera at 5 cents. Moving down, guys, Axie's at $10. Still, I'm very bullish on Axie Infinity, and I'm staking that on CoinSpot, by the way. IOTA's at 27 cents, which is nice. Moving down, guys, we've got XDC and Casper battling it out. 3 cents there and 4 cents. Still undervalued gems, in my opinion. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. Ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize about that noise. Let me just get rid of that. And if I go here, guys, the Wall Street Bull Patreon is linked below. Please feel free to join that. You will not regret it. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my full crypto lists as well. My crypto trading strategies are all in the group. And obviously my dividend stock investments, which I do put up on a weekly basis. So go check that out. It is linked below. Crypto bubbles on the day. Let's have a look and see what's going on here. Hex is the biggest gainer, 12.5%. I've never been invested in Hex. And again, I don't know, man. I think Richard Hart is just doing some pretty crazy stuff. I understand that, but who knows? Let me know in the comments below if you are invested in Hex. We have XDC Network up 3.4% today. Huobi tokens down 10%. Not really interested in exchange tokens, guys. Chiliz is up 3%, which is nice. We have Casper as well, down 4.5%. Still up 5% on the week. Cannot complain about that. And other than that, guys, I still see there are incredible buying opportunities in this space at the moment. We are still coming out of the bear market, going into a bull market. I believe this is the accumulation phase in the chart. I really do. Now, this is crazy. XRP worth $600,000 traded on major exchange 2 hours after relisting. This is how crazy things are going to get. But look at this. Only hours after XRP was relisted on Bitmart, a major cryptocurrency exchange, trading volume has already exceeded $600,000 as reported by you today earlier. And XRP was allowed to trade on Bitmart again after the exchange delisted it in summer of 2021 amid a legal battle between the SEC and Ripple. Nevertheless, XRP trading is not to being restarted without restrictions after its second to new old exchange, as US customers cannot trade the sixth largest crypto asset by market cap right here, which is annoying. So again, US customers. Such volumes on Bitmart put the exchange right from the start in the top 20 in terms of XRP trading among all centralized crypto platforms. That said, there is only one trading pair against USDT, which again is still pretty good that it actually is happening. Now, what happens if Ripple XRP and wins obviously the case against the SEC? It's going to go parabolic in my opinion, but investors are interested in knowing what the future holds for the crypto area, now ranked the 6th by market cap with the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC. One of the most important aspects that might significant effect of its success. The SEC initiated legal action against Ripple Labs based on allegations that the company had offered unregistered securities, which we all freaking know. The lawsuit has continued for 3 years now almost, guys, with both parties submitting final filings and waiting for a decision. Finbold asked industry professionals about whether Ripple could win the lawsuit against the SEC and what it would mean for the price if successful, guys. And look at this. Ripple will likely prevail against the SEC claim. Ripple must register its tokens like a security. Ripple has long held that investors have no investment contract that offers anybody any rights. They do not. And obviously, Raisha right here notes favorable conclusion would be beneficial to the entire crypto industry because it is necessary to offer clarity and confidence for the entire industry, which of course is facts. And guys, it is essential for the whole industry to have a thorough understanding of any duties and regulatory expectations set out by the SEC, the US Commodities Futures Trading Commission right there, the CFTC, and any other financial compliance agencies. It is going to be massive for the whole industry in crypto, especially in the United States. Now, MoneyGram seeks to seal parts of its filings in the XRP lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. MoneyGram, international cross-border payments firm, has requested the US District Court in New York on Wednesday to seal certain portions of its summary judgment materials in Ripple Labs' ongoing lawsuit against the SEC, which is very interesting. And obviously, MoneyGram said by sealing some of its documentation for summary judgment, a type of judgment typically delivered on the basis of statements and evidence without a full trial, it hopes to protect business information and employee identities, which is fair enough. And again, guys, let's keep an eye on this because MoneyGram obviously was partnered with Ripple back in the day, and he's still partnered with Stellar XLM, by the way. Now, moving on, Solana jumps 40% in a week as Solana ecosystem flares with massive activity. What do you think about Solana? Are you bullish on it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. But Solana is one of the largest proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies, has been going bonkers, jumping over 40% in the past 7 days on the back of Bonk and a dog theme token that recently debuted on the Solana ecosystem. Man, I don't know, guys. A lot of people made a lot of money on that, but now I don't know what's happening with it. I haven't even looked at it, to be quite honest with you. Let me know in the comments below if you have gotten in on that. And US authorities to seize $460 million worth of Robinhood shares in FTX fraud case. So the prosecutors are moving in to seize $460 million worth of Robinhood Markets Inc. shares linked to Sam Bankman-Fried, the former chief executive officer of Bahamas' bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX. Department of Justice counsel Seth Shapiro told the bankruptcy judge on Wednesday he has $460 million worth of Robinhood. Holy whoa, that's a lot of money. Now, Three Arrows Capital Liquidators issue subpoena to Three Arrows Capital co-founder Kyle Davies. Kyle Davies is expected to provide all documents detailing the Three Arrows Capital accounts, wallet addresses, and private keys. Very, very interesting to see what happened there. Do not forget that that happened as well, guys. It really did. Now, Silvergate forced to cover $8 billion worth of crypto-related withdrawals. Crazy. So the US bank was forced to sell $5.2 billion worth of assets for cash and booked a loss of $718 million in those sales. Customers from the US bank Silvergate, one of the few mainstream financial organizations that focuses on providing services to crypto sector, have pulled more than $8 billion of their crypto-related deposits from a lender. More than two-thirds of customer deposits were withdrawn in the final 3 months of 2022 as the collapse of FTX exchange reverberated around the cryptocurrency world. $8 billion. That is mental. And of course, we've got a prediction here for Bitcoin. Tim Draper, basically $5 trillion in 2023. That would be just ridiculous. That's basically the market cap of Bitcoin. That would need to be. Now, Tim Draper is basically saying, venture capitalist Tim Draper has doubled down on his outrageous $250,000 Bitcoin price prediction, which would give Bitcoin a market cap of almost $5 trillion. It was already $3 trillion in the previous bull market. So again, I don't think $5 trillion is out of the question, and I honestly don't think 250 is that much. I think Bitcoin will hit $1 million very soon. Now, moving on, guys, we have CryptoMeter.io monies going into Monero, XRP, Sheeb. We have Gala as well, Chili's, Solana, still, guys, and Near Protocol, which is really nice. And we have Polkadot as there as well. Now, nice to see XRP there. Let's go to Twitter quickly, guys. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you follow me here. I will be giving this away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. Absolutely crazy. My channel's growing, so thank you very much. Crypto-focused bank Silvergate Capital fires 40% of its staff, which is crazy. These are the top biggest companies in the world by market cap. Obviously, you've got Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Nvidia, Visa, P&G, Amazon. We all know these companies. Go and have a look at this, guys. Familiarize yourself because it's very interesting. And I appreciate Fox News coverage, but we must acknowledge that Ethereum Foundation did more sales of the Ethereum token than simply the ICO, which, by the way, was clearly a security violation. It really was, and that's what I don't understand why the SEC has not gone after them. Again, this is interesting stuff right here. I just want to play this quickly, and then we'll have a look through the rest of the news. Have a listen to this. This is in relation to on-demand liquidity and cross-border payments. Have a look at this.
Regional banks that make up the Fed actually came out with a report in November whereby it said we actually see a need for something called for lack of a better word, a Fed coin, a stable coin linked to the dollar that would be backed by the central bank. And here's why. It would speed and enable the transfer of money between banks. We're not talking you and me saying, hey, give me $20 for, drinks last night. No, we're talking about, as an example, Mitsubishi Bank in Tokyo wants to get $100 million worth of yen into its New York branch. It needs $100 million of yen in Tokyo and $100 million of dollars in New York. You create a stable coin, it attaches the money, and simultaneously it's transferred. You don't need to have money in two places. You free up.
That's basically XRP in a nutshell. That's what it's doing. Again, I'm not going to play that because it's very soft. And not only did Ripple have to register as an MSB, but had to register XRP sales with FinCEN and the DOJ. Not that the SEC Ripple had select a third-party auditor approved by FinCEN and the DOJ to submit audits of XRP sales for 5 years. Absolutely crazy. There was a ruling back then as well, guys. And honestly, this is Yassin Mubarak right here. I believe he works with Ripple. It's ironic that in 2015, FinCEN and the Department of Justice settled with Ripple. Might end up being the best thing that happened to Ripple, guys, and the main reason why XRP survives the SEC lawsuit. Absolute facts. And some interesting stuff right here from Black Swan Capitalist. Have a listen to this.
Tech innovators and the world's most powerful billionaires came together for a secretive meeting.
Listen
and while
to this.
their public records Show them discussing topics such as clean energy, the metaverse, climate change, consumer lifestyle, drones, and more? There's one topic that stole the show: blockchain. My point is, while these elites disparage these investments publicly, tricking the masses, they're quietly piling into the technology at the center of it all. The World Economic Forum has just projected blockchain to be an $867 trillion disruption.
Absolutely crazy. $867 trillion. You got Solana grows user base by 50% while Sol price is peaking. Bitcoin is poised to transition to a digital version of gold. I agree, and that is from Bloomberg. European central banks self-custody Bitcoin wallets need to be regulated. They want control of our money. And Uphold will support the Flare airdrop landing next Monday. That is happening also, guys. And New York regulators fined Coinbase Coin $50 million for allowing users to open accounts without proper background checks. And again, they have been hounding me for KYC. No joke, guys. So again, it's fully regulated and compliant, that is for sure. Coin market cap, we've got $819 billion, $27 billion in 24 hours, 39% BTC, 18.7 Ethereum, 22,000 cryptocurrencies. My top gainers today on my watch list, let's have a look in my portfolio: Ravane, LCX, CKB, Ubix Network, Reserve Rights, ADA, XBR, Proton, Solana, which is nice, and Electronium, guys. And of course, where my money's going, not financial advice, is these ones, guys: Ethereum, XRP, Banking Coins, ADA, AVAX, Link, XLM, Quant, Algorand, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Hedera. Sorry, HBAR, sorry. Yes, it is Hedera. XDC, Casper, LCX, and Alliance Block. The banking coins, that is the ultimate list. All right. That is it for today's video, guys. I will speak to you all in the comments. Have a nice day. We'll speak to you soon. All right. Peace out. Bye.